In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an accounting professional or a business owner looking to manage your bookkeeping more effectively, today's walkthrough will make it easy for you to enter journal transactions step by step. First things first, let's get started by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open your Chrome browser and head over to https://qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, simply enter your email and password to log in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this is a secure process intended to protect your financial data. Once you're inside QuickBooks, our job is to locate the journal entries section. Look towards the left-hand menu where you'll find a button labeled Plus New. It's your gateway to adding new transactions. Click on it, and you will see an option under the other column named Journal Entry. Selecting this will bring you to the Journal Entry page, which allows you to record entries manually. Now that you have your Journal Entry page open, it's time to fill out the details. Start by choosing the appropriate date for your journal entry, which could be today's date or a day in the past, depending on when the transaction occurred. You'll notice QuickBooks automatically generates a journal number for you, which helps in organizing your entries. However, if there's a specific numbering sequence you need to stick to, you have the option to edit it. Next, focus on the accounting details. In the account column, select the account you need to debit. Enter the debit amount in the adjacent column. Immediately below, in the next row, choose the account you want to credit and input the corresponding credit amount. A quick tip here, always remember that the total debits in your journal entry must equal the total credits. This ensures that your books remain balanced. For clarity and future reference, it's wise to add a description for each line item explaining the nature of the transaction. Although it's optional, providing these details can be valuable in case you or anyone else needs to review the entry later. If the journal entry affects more than 2 accounts, you can add more lines and repeat the above process with additional debits and credits. Just click on Add Lines to extend the entry as needed. When you've completed entering all necessary details, it's time to save your work. Click on Save and Close if you're wrapping up for now, or Save and New if you'd like to enter another journal entry right away. Lastly, let's make sure everything is recorded properly. Head over to the accounting section and click on Chart of Accounts. Locate the account you've affected with your journal entry and click View Register. This step allows you to confirm that your entry has been accurately recorded in your financial records, providing peace of mind and ensuring your books are in order. And that's it. You now know how to create and verify journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Practice this process to become more familiar, and soon you'll have no trouble managing your transactions with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.